at Rooster Cogburn's Ostrich Farm.
And today we're going to feed some animals.
Go feed the animals.
We're not in our normal Disney location or Universal or theme park location because we're on vacation.
We are on vacation. I guess if you looked up where the Ostrich Farm was, you'd know, but I don't want to say.
Okay, let's go get some.
Let's feed the donkeys.
Let's feed some donkeys. Friend. Oh, cute little friend. Oh, look, you got another one.
Hey, little friend.
Hi, little friends. Cute.
You want to feed some animals?
I'll feed some animals.
Oh. Oh, that one, look at his eyeball. Oh, poor guy.
You want some more?
Look at the little babies back there. Grumpy? Grumpkin? Oh. Cute.
Next to the parakeet perch.
Parakeet Perch USA.
Parakeet perch USA.
Gotta give him a good stick.
Go give him the stick.
Let's go on the other side.
Okay. So here you go. Cute. Give him the seeds. How cute. Go feed some deer.
I want to feed the deer. They kind of look like Aria a little bit.
They kind of do. Cuties. Look at them. Oh. And we're here with Mama Bennett and Ashley.
Hey, come out.
Hi, cuties. Hello, cuties.
Oh, he's pooping.
Yeah, wow.
Eat and poop at the same time. Efficiency.
I think that's what Cody wishes he could do.
It's true.
Look at the little baby.
No. That's really sad.
They look so sad. That one over there looks sick.
Yeah, they look a little mangy.
Sorry, little mangy guys. I like your eyelashes.
He looks really skinny.
Mm-hmm.
You want it? No.
That white one over there is pretty. You want to go feed the penthouse goats?
Ghosts?
Look, it's the penthouse goats. Why am I saying ghosts?
We're at the haunted house.
Yeah, I guess so. These are the African goats, right? Something like that.
I believe so.
They need to be at a higher elevation, so they took them up maybe 2 stories and said that's high enough.
African?
Let's feed the goat.
They're the first ones out of the gate.
Cute. It's time to go feed the goats.
They're ready. There's a ball and they're ready.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Nice. I'm gonna do mine.
Have to go all the way to the top.
Good job.
The kissing wall. Kiss the goat. Ooh, they're extra stinky. You're extra cheesy over here. Hi, cheesy goats. I think goat eyes are so creepy though.
They are
Yes.
scary.
Yes.
Like really demonic. Like I like demonic things, but that's a little bit too scary for me.
They're
Hello.
so nice and gentle.
I'm so hungry.
No, you look like an
Aw.
old man.
You poor hungry animals. You want some too? Sorry.
What are they calling it? Is that my first revelation? There's only one
There you go.
that's hungry. It's right here.
There you go.
It's like Aria. No.
Cuties! Look at that one sticking out his tongue. He said, I want some food. I want food. You're dropping the food. He doesn't want no more.
Kitty, stick your head in the hole.
You want to get pet?
Don't do that. Look at, look.
What the? It's a two-headed goat. Cute. Okay, here, you get some.
Kitty, stick your head in the hole.
Cute.
He's in his ear.
That one's super hungry.
So creepy.
Nom, 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 nom. That's so sad. I think they're stuck.
That one's reaching for you, Cody.
That one's hungry too, I think.
Oh. It says not responsible for accidents. They only put that on like shark cages.
Don't lose a finger. Ah!
Come on, back up.
They're gonna peck at your face. Let's go higher up so you don't get hit in the face. Okay, let's run. Run! They're all coming this way, so we'll bring them this way. Yes, ostrich bite. Hello.
Are you gonna feed her?
Yes. I just feel safer up here. Oh, look at this one, so majestic.
They're like long-legged snakes.
So aggressive. Bit at least once by them and then you're okay. You can say you did it. Aw, sheep. Cuties. There you go. You're the little sheep.
That was a terrible goat noise. I'm so sorry. Oh, it's like Aria.
I know, so gentle. This one's sleeping.
Oh my god.
It's Cody.
Yeah. Cody and Tango.
So gentle. It's like feeding Aria.
I think they're in a line.
I
They're
know.
waiting for the bathroom or something.
That one's just staring into the blue.
What's going on over there, bud? What are you looking at? The Nigerian dwarf goats.
These are my favorite animals to feed you.
Why?
Look at them, they're so tiny.
They got little beards.
Look at that one, he's chilling.
He's a bad.
Get it back in my hand.
Nom, 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 nom.
He's so gentle with it.
Hello, gentleman. Hello, gentleman. You're a gentleman.
We have to spend the rest of this.
Look at that one.
That bunny is drinking a lot. Because he was drinking before you guys came over here.
Cuties.
Oh, they're chasing each other.
Here comes Peter Cottontail. Up and down the bunny trail.
Bunny's got red eyes.
I want to one.
These are the ducks. They're stingy.
I feel bad, but I don't like goats.
Aw,
I love Donald.
Donald Duck.
Look at that one's got like a blue tint to it.
In the water, they all do.
Oh, did you say a maze? Yeah, that's what it sounds like. Yeah, I'll wait out here. This is like the best like.
It's the biggest guys that are the biggest trainers. All right.
It's on your shoulder. Cute.
On your head.
Is he on my head? Oh my god. I guess I make a good perch.
Trained to take it off.
Can you take my lid off of my thing?
The bird will take it off.
The bird will take it off. Really?
Can't take it off for you.
Here you go. I'll take Ashley's. Come here. Here you go. Jesus Christ. Why are you screaming? Why are you screaming? God, it's so loud. What birds we have? Please don't poop on my head. That's all I ask. Okay. I have a bird on my phone.
Oh wow, he's on the phone.
Oh my god. I got a bird on my phone. Oh my god. No, get away. Stingray.
I love stingrays. I remember we went to, where did we go?
Aquarium of the Pacific?
Yeah, Aquarium of the Pacific, and they had a giant, they're not manta rays, but it's like a thing on the ceiling. I love manta rays, I love stingrays, they're awesome.
I like cow ones.
Cow nose rays,
Cow nose rays.
those are cool.
Okay, we're going to Stingray Bay. Very cute. Hi, little guy. He's coming back. He said, high five. Thanks for the food.
You gotta hold it. Aww.
Falls out, right?
I want to see one of these ducks dive.
Are you ready? Wow. Oh my gosh. I don't know, they both got you wet. Did you shoot it or somebody's shooting it?
I keep being shot.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh my god, I don't want to play anymore.
Just dodge it.
I can't even like... Try to get the alligators, get them wet. It's not working. Oh no.
Good job. You were soaked.
Yeah, they shot me 3 times.
Conclude our day at the ostrich farm.
Yes.
How'd it go?
Some mother thought it was the funniest thing to shoot me 3 times with like the water target, and I got soaked. But other than that, it was very fun.
I had fun.
Yeah, I'm glad you had fun.
Okay, bye. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below.
Share us with your family, share us with the ostriches, the goats, the deer, the lorikeets, the lady who thought it was funny to shoot me 3 times. And we'll see you guys later.
Bye!